or unit 3 addition. This is unit 3. Our new chapter addition. Unit 3 new chapter addition. Okay children, we have to do problems on or sums on additions only. Okay. See, I am taking this is the digit, so I am taking the single digit numbers. Now I am taking 7 plus 5. Single digit numbers means only one digit, that is to ones place. Ones place. Okay, ones place only. 7 plus 5 is equal to 7. I have 7 and I am adding plus 5. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes 12. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Now two digit numbers. 82 plus 18. Two digit numbers. Ones digits. These two are ones digits. It is ones digit and it is ones digit. So we have to place same place numbers in under the given number. So I am placing ones digit in 18 in ones digit under a ones digit. Okay, it is ones digit and it is tens digit. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 8 and plus 2 10 becomes 10. So 10 and 1 we have to write if you add 8 plus 2 it becomes 10. So we have to write only one digit. Ones digit here and add this one to next number. Add this one to next number. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. It becomes 100. Now I am taking 3 digit numbers. Ones place under ones place, tens place under tens place, hundreds place under hundreds place. So it is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So add these two numbers now. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 0 here and 1 is added here. 1 is added here. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 0 here and 1 is added to here. 1 plus 6 is equal to 4. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 10. So it becomes 1000. Now see carefully 4 digit numbers. 3564 plus 4653. I am adding this number. So in this number ones place is 4 and in this number ones place is 3. So ones place under ones place, tens place under tens place, hundreds place under hundreds place, and thousands place under thousands place. We have to place the numbers by its digits, by its place values. So it's here place is thousands place, so here place is thousands place, like that. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. First of all, we have to add the numbers which are in ones place. First of all, we have to add the numbers which are in the ones place. So what are the numbers in the ones place? 4 and 3. So we have to add first 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. And after ones place, so we have to add the numbers in tens place. Numbers in tens place. So in tens place 6 and 5. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So 1 here and I am adding 1 here. We have to write one digit here and another digit is here. Okay, now add these two numbers. In hundreds place, we have two numbers and one is added. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So 2 here and 1 here. After hundreds place, we will come to thousands place. We have to add the numbers which are in the thousands place. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8270. Okay, children. Okay, children. In exercise 1, in unit 3, exercise 1, sum. Okay, now we are adding two numbers here. So what is the ones place here? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and it is thousands place. So what we do now? We have to add numbers from ones place onwards. First of all, we have to add ones place and next tens place and hundreds place and thousands place. So we are adding ones place now. Ones, 4 ones plus 5 ones. 4 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 9 ones. 4 plus 5, 9. Now ones place is completed, so come to tens place. In tens place, what are the numbers we have? 0 and 9. So 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. In hundreds place, what are the numbers we have? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Hundreds place is completed. Now I am coming to thousands place. In thousands place, we have 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So if you add these two numbers, 2404 and 1395, the sum is 3799. So here three number divisions. It is one number, second number and third number. So 2431 plus 1324 plus 3142. So add this four numbers, three numbers now. So first of all, we have to start from ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, and next thousands place. So in ones place we have three numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 2 becomes 7. Ones place is completed. Now tens place. In tens place 3, 2, 4 we have. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Tens place is completed. Now come to hundreds place. In hundreds place 4, 3, 1 we have. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, now thousands place. 6 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Like that, we have to solve the problems. Now I will do some homework problems for you now. Okay, children, do these 4 additions as homework. Thank you.